Good day for everybody. I am happy to welcome you at the channel Knitting Lessons at Home. Lessons overview. Lesson 21st, Lesson 30th. Lesson 21st, Wicker. Lesson 22nd, Little Twisted Knit Stitches. Lesson 23rd, 4 Twisted Knit Stitches. Lesson 24th, Complex Purls. Lesson 25th, Double 4 Twisted Knit Stitches. Lesson 26, Knit a Sock, Start, Knitting in a Circle. Lesson 27th, Knit a Boomerang Heel. Lesson 28th, The Sock, Final, Knitted Toe. Lesson 29th, 6 Twisted Knit Stitches. Lesson 30th, Rhombuses, Knit and purl loops only. See you soon!